does it feel?
Starting in the neutral position on hands and knees, this is the easiest version of the bird dog, the arms-only version. The same starting position as all the other bird dog variations, however in this one, only the arm is raised up to about shoulder level, maintaining neutral spine. As Joanne moves her arm up and down and alternates between them, you can see that she maintains the position of her lower back without allowing it to either sink down towards the ground or arch up towards the ceiling. There's very little movement through her torso. That is a key point with this type of exercise, is control through the lumbar spine and mobility of the joints either above or below, in this case, the shoulder. Once again, bird dog, arms only.